Okay, so we're back in the next video, and this is to do with finding expired domains with Webfire 3.0. So the benefit of having an expired domain is you want to find a domain that's got a bit of authority, and it'll help you rank in the search engines. There is a number of factors, but basically these domains that have expired, normally, and there's ways of checking this, they do have a lot of trust in Google's eyes and the other search engines' eyes. Okay, so all you need to do here is again put in the keyword. So we can do luxury watches for men, keep on the same theme, and I'm going to hit find domains, and it's going to go out and search for any domains. And I'm just going to pause this here to see what sort of results we get, and I'll be back with you in a second. It may take a couple of minutes. I'll be back with you soon. Okay guys, thanks for your patience. It actually took about 3.5 minutes to load. It did say that no domains were found for these keywords, but which is fine. So we just go in and search for maybe just luxury watches instead of luxury watches for men. And you just keep using keywords until you find something that's going to match with what you're selling or the niche that you're in. Okay, so pretty much what this does is you simply type in the keyword, and they pull in 50 similar high-ranking keywords, and then they check the first page results on Google, Yahoo, and Bing for available domains. Okay, so as you can see here, there was no domain found for this or these. Says these keywords, but I think you can actually also here you can enter one keyword. I thought you might have been able to enter with a comma, okay, but and enter multiple keywords. But on this occasion it didn't work in the sense, well, it did work, but there was no domains that were found. The other thing to note here is also they've got a list of other suggestions here. So maybe you could plug this back in to this search and find expired domains that you'll be able to buy. Okay, so and the other thing is that it allows you to download as a PDF. Okay, so very handy tool, and I'll move on to the next video.